So what happened was Alex and I were out at Butte, and then we were walking on the sidewalk, and some lady stopped us, and she's like, "Hey, you want to go get some free cupcakes and some free music?" And there's a band and stuff like that. And we're all, "Yeah, free cupcakes," or whatever. So we go to this thing, right? It's like, we go into this little room, and it's like a cult. I swear, everyone's just like, "Oh, new people, all weird and stuff." And then we're all, "Oh, I'm all these free about the cupcakes," and we grab some, and Alex starts eating one. He's like, "This tastes like vodka." So what are you doing, Alex? What are you doing here?
Eating these spiked cupcakes.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like vodka.
Vodka cupcakes?
That's what it tastes like.
Where are we? Why are we here?
Fucking comedy.
And we're like, "Oh no, where are we gonna sit?" Like, there's only seats in the very front and center. We're like sitting there, and then I was like taking two of the cupcakes. I also had grabbed this like cup for this gumbo that they were serving. I grabbed that so that I can stuff the cupcakes in there. I like stuffed them right in front of everybody. Everyone's just all these cult people. They're just watching me like stuff these two cupcakes into this gumbo like container and putting it into my backpack. Like, yeah, I'm gonna save these for later. Like I'm like a homeless dude or something. And me and Alex should just sit there for a little bit, and then Alex is like, "I'm gonna leave. This is weird or something." So he goes out. I'm all right. I'll leave after. I'll be right behind you. I'm all kicking it there, and I'm also shaking my head, like, listen to the band. There's like, no, it's not a band. It's like a Chinese lady on a keyboard and like a dude playing like a bass or something. No singing, nothing. It's not a band. And there's a screen, like a film screen. This is a small room. This is like smaller than this room I'm in now, like half the size. And there's a screen, like a film screen, and and I look over at it, and they're showing like the same thing that we're doing, like just people just. I look at the film in the cult room that Alex and I were in, and it's like people just sitting around doing nothing. We didn't even know what was going on, so I go outside, I see Alex out there with Beth or whatever, and I'm all like, "What the heck was that, dude? Let's go." And talk to this lady that invited us, and I went out back to the sidewalk, and I'm all, "Hey lady, like, what was that?" We didn't know what it was. We went in and they're playing music, but nobody talked. We didn't know what it was.
It's just an open house to kind of advertise to students about the book, so you get to hear the title and get to know it a little bit.
Oh, a specific book?
This specific book,
Okay, yeah,
What's the name of the
I
book?
do have
Yeah.
it. Oh, okay, yeah, we didn't know what it was.
Yeah, I know, it's kind of
We went in and there was music, and there was,
music,
it was good, yeah.
Cupcakes were okay.
Was there going to be somebody talking later?
No, we're kind of doing music, and then we're doing some videos of the author talking about the book. And he comes to
I just didn't know it was about
Chico in the end of April.
I'll have to check that out. All right,
Thank
cool.
you.
I guess it worked. Thanks. And it worked in the end because I want to see what this book is about.
You know what I'm saying? Like, is it a cult?